Hey guys, my name is Georgia. I'm a second year occupational therapy student, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about Eleanor Clarke Slagle. Here's an overview of what we're going to talk about. We have objectives, history of OT, Eleanor, her award, takeaways, and references. At the end of this presentation, you will be able to recall facts about the importance of Eleanor Clarke Slagle and identify her accomplishments. So let's get into it. The history of OT is really important for you to understand the importance of Eleanor Clarke Slagle and what she did for our profession. In the late 1800s, mental institutions began to develop occupational activities for their patients. It was actually proven to improve their mental and physical health. Occupational therapy emerged in the United States during our progressive era and was officially established as a profession in 1917. During this time, World War I was taking place. So before it was established as OT, it was used to provide treatment in the form of occupation to enable servicemen suffering from wounds or battle neurosis. This enabled them to return to the battlefront. Who is Eleanor Clarke Slagle? So I have provided a visual reference for you guys. She was deemed a pioneer in the occupational therapy profession. She is also known as the mother of OT. That's important to know. Slagle registered at the Whole House to study social work. If you want to learn more about Whole House, its importance to OT, and what it is, in your digital handout, I actually included a hyperlink that you can click on, and it will take you to a website telling you all about the Whole House. There, she enrolled in a course called Occupations and Amusements. She completed her studies in the summer of 1911. In 1909, the Society for Mental Hygiene established an occupational department. It was extremely successful. So later on down the road, they recruited Eleanor to become the director of what was to be called the Henry B. Fable School of Occupations. A little bit more of what she contributed to a profession was she founded an annual training institute for state therapists, and it's used as a model for other programs throughout the US. She demonstrated the first large-scale occupational therapy program for a state hospital system. She was also a founding member of the American Occupational Therapy Association. She was AOTA president, vice president, and secretary treasurer. AOTA established a lectureship award in 1951 in her honor called the Eleanor Clarke Slagle Lectureship Award. This award honors members of AOTA who have creatively contributed to the development of the knowledge of the profession, their research, education, and/or clinical practice. In order to receive this award, you have to be a registered occupational therapist or a certified occupational therapy assistant. Only one award is rewarded per year, and the recipient will present the Eleanor Clarke Slagle Lecture during the AOTA annual conference the following year. If you're not unaware of what AOTA is, they advocate for OT at the national level. In this presentation and in your digital handout, I have linked the AOTA website that will take you directly to this lectureship award. And on this link, you can find the recipients and some of their lectures dating back to 1955. As we come to a close, there are a few takeaways I want you to take away from this presentation. She was a pioneer of occupational therapy and a founding member of AOTA. She demonstrated the first large-scale occupational therapy program for a state hospital system. Her passion was in mental health, which is where OT originated from. She founded an annual training institute for state therapists that is used as a model for other programs throughout the US. A prestigious award was created in her name, and it's only awarded to one recipient per year. Here are the references that will also be linked to your digital handout. And thanks for listening.